47?
Yeah.
Nice. Hello, fam from Seatac Airport in Washington State.
I'm Ashley, this is my husband Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell to follow more of our adventures.
Let's go.
We are at the airport. Today we are headed to Denver, Colorado, and I'm so excited. But first, we get to go to our second ever lounge, Priority Pass lounge.
Yeah, if you've been watching our channel for long enough, the last 2 years, you'll know we haven't been doing much fancy travel, but we're trying to step it up a little bit this year. We're trying to show you guys some cool new experiences. So last year, we went to Priority Pass for the first time, and now this time we're going for our second trip ever. So let's go check out the Seatac Priority Lounge. All right, we find ourselves for the second time at a lounge. This is pretty nice. There's a lot more people in here than the last time we were in a lounge. A lot. She's all like, "Hey, Gary, he's so quiet," and we probably should be for everyone else's sake. But this is nice. We used our Priority Pass that they gave us so that we can share with you guys this experience. I think I'm gonna go get myself a snack or maybe a drink.
This is the most snacks I've ever seen in a lounge.
Maybe I'll show you that. Oh my gosh. Wow, what have you got there?
Complimentary, they have mixed drinks, beer, and wine. I got a lemon drop and Josh got a martini. We have 2 hours in this lounge. We'll probably have like 1 or 2 drinks, right?
Well, you know what's funny is usually we have work to do, but this time we're so caught up on videos that we're just gonna relax.
We get to really enjoy this lounge. Like we have our little plates of hummus and our things, and then they have dessert. And because this is like an Emirates lounge, they have baklava and hummus and all these yummy, yummy foods.
Pro tip, if you're gonna use Priority Pass to go to some lounges, you don't always have to go to the lounge nearest your gate. It's like Seatac, we took the train to the South Terminal, and we found what I think is probably the best lounge that Priority Pass has here at Seatac.
On the app, the Priority Pass app, you can actually look up the different lounges that there are, and that's what we did, and we chose this one.
Looking at all the photos going, that one.
Yeah.
Check out this view. But for real, the experience that you get in the lounge is really nice. I mean, we're just relaxing here. We get a great view of all the planes taking off. We have Wi-Fi, snacks, access to weather, as well as our flight information. We're just chilling here. It's warm, we're not under AC. We have outlets. We could be here a while. And I think we're going to. So, once again, I can highly recommend the Priority Pass experience at the lounge.
Gosh.
Fantastic.
That was my second favorite lounge I've ever been to.
If for no other reason than the free drinks, that's worth it in my book.
I feel so spoiled. Like,
Yeah, you do. You feel fancy,
really
like,
spoiled.
I'm an adult and I'm going traveling now.
Oh my gosh, but I get nervous, like ordering a drink. Like, are they gonna charge me? Do I need to tip them?
It's included, so unless they say, some places do have a limit, some places you need to get a reservation for, some places during busy times you have to like call ahead, but that was straightforward and simple.
It was awesome.
So if you are planning on a trip soon, or you know you have a big layover coming up, I'd recommend Priority Pass. Check the link in the description. If you buy through us, we get a little bit of the money.
It's awesome.
So
yeah, it works
that
out
helps
for
us out.
and
If you like this channel, you can save money and help us a little bit by getting some yourself. So again, check the link in the description to check out Priority Pass. But now, We're headed to Denver, Colorado.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait!
Oh, there you are.
The mountains and the snow and the cold.
And one of you in the comments mentioned that in fact Denver, Colorado is in the Rockies.
Yeah.
So
You've never seen the Rockies.
no, we were in Estes Park a couple of years ago.
Did you? Oh yeah.
So
I guess.
I mean, we were in the Rockies. Yeah. But now we're going to them.
Is Estes Park in the Rockies?
I'm pretty sure. Oh, we're so bad at geography of our own country. It's big, okay? Give us a break.
It is big. The chips I didn't eat.
Excuse me, what is that?
Okay, so I took juice from the Priority Pass, a lounge, and I took cookies and the bag of chips that I didn't eat all the way.
You're getting your money's worth, lady.
Well, now we have like a 3 to 4 hour ride on the plane, so I have snacks.
There you go. Buy a Priority Pass and then fly cheap airlines. That's the trick. That thing is so heavy. So much for a no carry-on.
I need the snacks. Wait, what are we?
B15.
I'm not saying anything, but why does it smell like fish in here?
It smells like
gross.
it smells really fishy. It's
Yeah.
so strange.
There's fish on the ground.
Are they dead fish?
I know, but it does smell like dead fish.
It smells like fish. It's so strange.
Seattle, right?
I guess.
I have salad in my bag.
What?
I got salad from lunch.
Oh, you have a salad from lunch? Let me see it. Let me see
Oh,
that.
it's in here.
You got Panera in your purse?
There's a whole snack bag.
Snacks, Panera. You're set, man. Alright, it's a little tight. Not too bad though. So the deal with Frontier Airlines is you get one personal item up to a certain size. It's actually pretty big. I brought my backpack on just fine, but you can pay for a carry-on bag. However, we paid for a check bag, so...
Because it was cheaper to pay for a
Oh, was it?
50-pound bag to check, yeah, than it was
See?
to get your baggage on the
That's my
plane.
little planner right there. So I've got a backpack and she's got a purse plus our big luggage that...
we have way too much crap.
I mean, if you watched yesterday's video, you know we have a ton of stuff in there, so... It's a week-long trip to Denver. You know, what are you gonna do? I don't imagine there's gonna be a lot of amenities on this flight, considering it was $150 round trip, including a check bag.
0, therefore I stuffed my bag full of things.
See, she's always thinking ahead, planning for every eventuality. All right, I guess we'll settle back and enjoy the flight. Okay, we haven't even taken off yet.
I'm thirsty.
Safety information card.
I'm saving the rest for
Due to
like...
loss of cabin pressure.
And it's only going to take us 2 hours to get to Denver.
We were at the airport longer than we're gonna be in the air. Hey, worth it though.
Yeah. I wonder if I'll be able to eat all my snacks in 2 hours.
You can try. All right, Frontier Airlines review. You get what you pay for.
No problems.
No problems, although it did smell like a baby, and the seats don't lean back. Like a baby's diaper, I should say. Like not like
I didn't smell it.
not like a delicious baby smell. More of like a baby. How do you feel about check bags?
Good. Back
Yeah?
too much.
Okay. outside the airport is a bunch of shuttles, and that'll take you to the rental area. So we have a car that we're going to get. Wow, this focus. All right, we made it to Advantage. Ashley got the cheapest rental that she could find.
The manager's special, which would be a surprise car. So I thought I would go with that. I thought maybe that's what it was.
So
Oh
Ashley's
my God.
manager specials is a caravan. It's a
It's a
minivan.
freaking minivan. We're vacationing in a freaking minivan.
Woohoo! Saving money.
I mean, we have a lot of room. We should make friends.
Okay. That's our castle we're staying at.
We've arrived!
Oh man.
Oh my gosh, this bed is so comfortable and I just sat down. We arrived to the lodge at the castle here in Denver, and it's amazing. But we're gonna save that for tomorrow's video.
It's
This
very
has been
late.
a long travel
Yes.
day already. So I hope we encourage you guys to get out and travel today. We had such a good day. My second lounge ever. It's gonna be hard to beat that one actually, but safe trip and nothing went wrong today. I had really low anxiety, which was really good for me on travel days.
Yeah, no immigration, no
Yeah.
passport.
It was awesome. But all right, well, tomorrow we're gonna check out Denver and we'll show you guys a little more about where we're staying.